It's not even 5 AM yet, but we're off to Nürburgring, well, Germany / Nürburgring today. I am not going to meet everyone at the meeting spot because it's like 20 minutes away from my house to then come 20 minutes back and drive past my house. So I've got to try and time it this morning that I join the M3 as they come past me. Place your bets now whether I make it or not, or whether I miss them. But yeah, they've not said that they've left yet. So I'm gonna grab some breakfast because it's gonna be a long day and I'm knackered already. But we're going to Germany, so the hype is here. And so is like a million boxes of cereal. Sponsor me, please. I have been informed that they are on the move. So I'm going to go and meet them somewhere. This is really fucking fancy and bougie and like not at all what I'm used to. Also, this is about to piss off all my neighbours. Okay, could have been worse, but it's still not great. I haven't got anything set up. Oh, it's dark, you can't see me. I'm just gonna go.
And the roundabout, take the second exit on B33.
Right. Right, so I'm just coming onto the M3. I think they've just gone past. Yeah, I'm hoping I can catch up some of it. Car's not quite up to temp, so I don't really want to gun it yet. But yeah,
the roundabout, take the fourth
should
exit
catch up pretty soon.
49 towards Hook.
Just gonna give it a minute to get up to temp. Luke's got these like high beam assist things on. I have no idea how I turn them off.
Continue straight for 15 minutes to junction 2 to M25.
No, that's flashing it. My bad. I'm just gonna hope that they do their thing and like don't come on, because that would kind of be ideal if they just work, but I don't trust it. Don't wing on it. That must be a Mr. Jake. That's not a GTI, is it? I'm blind, I can't see. Luke, if you're watching this, I'm not blind, I can see fine. I can't even tell if that's him or not. It must be. There he is, Mr. Patworth. Let's just do this nice and easy. Oh, it's so loud and tight. Oh, we're going forward again. See, moving's the scary bit, especially when the sounds are doing all of that. Ah! Some absolutely lovely roads here. Cormac's fully ascending it. We've lost Luke and Joe. They were not caught up on the autobahn traffic. Fortunately from there. Oh, I can see him up over there. Lane assist does my head in. Need to figure out how to turn it off. Just chop Jakey for the fun of it. Feel like a bit of a dick now. Cormac's also going to get a chop here. Acceleration. This is carousel, so I need to follow his line into it. Ooh, bumpy, bumpy, bumpy. Oh, so bumpy. This is the jump. Just gonna roll through. Began cooking. Right, well, that is it. I didn't talk too much, unfortunately. I was really trying to focus on the car and feel the car. There was a lot of understeer. It's a bit floaty in some corners. I also don't really know the braking zones, which is a bit of an issue. So I felt like I was on the brakes quite a lot there. But yeah, no, that was sick. That was real good fun. Don't know what happened coming into mini carousel. Sort of brake assist came on and then was just like, I don't know, I kind of locked up a little bit. I was trying to turn, I was just understeering going straight, and I was looking at a barrier rather worried. But we did okay, we made it. Hopefully there's a nice photo of the two of us. If not, Photoshop is going to be required. Take them off because they're all fogging up. Yeah, that was good. That was very, very good. Right, I'm going to end it there and catch up with you guys in a bit. Right, so I forgot to finish up after that ring section. However, we did go out together on the ring. Me and Luke, him and his Golf, me and the 45. How was that, seeing your car going around the ring when you're behind it and watching it?
It genuinely, it's actually so surreal. So weird. So weird. But I was looking back more just to make sure you're still there, I can't lie.
Make sure I've not gone and taken out 3 barriers.
Yeah, well, yeah, that's true. But
no, but I mean, we got some cool photos as well from the thing, luckily. So that'll be on your thumbnail and on my Instagram, link below. But yeah, no,
quality.
Thank you for letting me go out in it.
No,
and
mate, thank you for not writing it off.
The next video is me writing it off.
No, it's there. It's still there. It's in one piece. Please, can we keep it in one piece?
There's 3 days left of this trip.
You have ruined the brakes, though.
No.
I might have.
The brakes.
Yeah, no, I did that.
The brakes are wank. You've got a 520 brake horsepower car with stock brakes.
Completely stock brakes. Stock brake fluid.
That's not on me.
There's nothing available.
Make something. Get an Aston Martin kit.
True, or just put the AP kit on it.
Or put the AP kit on it, yeah. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is going to be the end of the video because we're going home, well, in a few days, and we're not doing anything else, so. Bosh.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Yay!